Hi guys, it's your girl Slay LT, and I want to thank you guys for stopping by my channel today. Today I have a quick haul from New York & Company. If you haven't already seen my previous hauls from New York & Company, go ahead and click on that link below. I have some of the links from the previous videos. The last one that I did a haul from New York & Company, and this was the second. Well, actually, I ordered these the day after I ordered the first ones that I showed you, and again, those are in the comment box below. Click on the links and you'll see the hauls for those. I'm just gonna get right into it. I haven't taken them out the bag yet, and if you haven't seen any of my other videos, go ahead and watch those videos. The way how I actually do my hauls, I'm actually in one of my bedrooms today, so I'm not in my glam room, so you won't see all the clothes and everything. But the way how I do my hauls, my first hauls are always me taking them out of the bag. So you'll see the garments coming out the bag, and I'll give you a little bit of a description of those garments. The next video, the second video, is me actually taking them out of the plastic bag that they come in, and the third video is of course me laying them on my body. Actually, the second one is me laying them on my body as well. The third video is me trying on some of the pieces and actually showing you guys what it looks like. But I'm gonna go ahead and just get into this video, and let's just get right into it. This is actually what I would call a medium-sized haul. I have several pieces with this one. New York & Company, they're actually running a summer special right now, so if you guys go ahead and go to their site, you find a lot of pieces they have that's on special right now at a very good price, I might add. This first piece that I have, this is actually a linen pants. It's a white linen pants, and it's super cute. And it's something special about this linen pants. It actually has slits on both sides. So when I take it out the bag in my next video, you guys have to come back and watch the second video. But when I take it out of the bag, you'll see that the pants is actually slit on the side, which is super cute. I actually bought this in a size large, and the price on this one is it was $49.95. But I actually think I paid. Let me check here. It was on sale for $20. I paid $20. Oh, this special that I caught, this is like actually like it's like one of those specials they have, like $20, $5. It's like a clearance special. So I bought that one for $20. So I'll go ahead and give you guys a rundown of the prices as I take them out of the bag. And this optic white, it's a large. As I stated, original price was $49.95. I paid $20 for it, which is a super duper good deal. It was only like $1.60 tax, so I got a good deal with that one. The next one I got was, it's a cargo pants. So this one is a cargo pants. It's basically, it has like, it's almost like a, it's called Black Frost. That's the color of it. So it's like it's almost like a, I want to say like a black denim type, but it's a linen. It's not denim, it's like a linen type material. And the price on this one was also $49.95. And this was on sale for $20 as well. So it's almost like the first one, but the difference between this one and the white one is the white one has a slit on the side. That one has cuffs at the bottom. So when I actually take it out of the bags, you guys will see that as well. The next item I have now, these skinny tanks I needed because I did not have any skinny tights to wear with my jeans. Skinny tanks, and these were on sale for $5. So it's just a regular tank, skinny tank top, but these are actually form-fitting too. So the original price on these were $12.95, and I got them on sale for $5.95. I'm sorry, $5 actually. This one is a Brewster blue. Kind of looks purple, but it's a blue. And I got that in a large. And that would actually go cute with either of those pants that I just showed you guys. The second one is the same item, the skinny tank tops. $5. And it was also $12.95. Got it for $5. This one is white. This is paper white. So this is the whitest of the white. And I can actually wear that with both as well. So that was a good deal. And another tank tanky. This is bell pepper red, same price, originally $12.95, and I got it on sale for $5. 40 cents tax, not bad on all of those tanks, so that was a good deal. Red, and the red can actually go, that can actually go good with both of the linen pants, so that was a good deal as well. This one I am super duper excited about. This is actually another linen pants, but this one was $54.95, but I still got it at the price of $20 because of their sale. And it's like a leopard print material, same concept. It's a linen pants, and it's actually super cute. This one has the cargo pocket on the side, and I believe that black one that I showed you guys, the second one that I showed you, also has a cargo on the side. I forgot about that. And it has the cuff at the bottom, so I don't know if you can see the cuffs in here. But when I take it out the bag, you'll get a better understanding of what it looks like. And that's super cute, and that can actually go good. To be honest with you, can probably, well, probably not the blue tank top, but that red and that white, super duper cute. Last but not least, I bought this cute dress. Now, this is a wrap dress. With COVID and everything, I'm going to start going back to church on Sunday. With COVID kind of dissolving the numbers, I need to get back in church, so I definitely needed more dress. This material is like that stretchy type material, and I bought this in a size large. The regular price on this was $59.95, and I actually got this on sale for $23.90, so still in the 20s. So I bought these 7 items. Total price before tax was $98.98. I think I did pretty good. Really, those with the 3 tanks, it's versatile, so I can go many different ways with those outfits. I think I did pretty good with this haul. New York & Company is one of those companies where when they have sales like this, you just have to jump on it because the prices fluctuate so quick. Like, they'll have like a day sale from the original price. That's a huge jump. You're saving like around about $30 for each of these garments. For the shirts, you're saving about roughly $7, $6-7. So I think I did pretty good with this haul. I usually get my comments at the last video, but I'm going to definitely say with New York & Company, even though I haven't taken them out of the bag yet, this is actually a pretty good haul. So I'm going to thumbs up this one. Now, as far as the large sizes with the cargo pants, I don't know how they will fit yet because, again, they're linen pants, so they don't have much of a stretch to them. The only reason why I decided to go large is because, as you guys know, I am on a weight loss journey, and I do not want to buy larger sizes of clothes because I'm looking to get back down to my large size. I do have a bigger derriere, so even with me losing weight, I'm still going to be like in a larger size as far as my bottoms are concerned. Once I lose weight on my top, I usually go with a medium. So with that being said, thank you guys for stopping by and joining me for this quick 10-minute video. I'm trying to keep it to 10 minutes. If you haven't already, go ahead and if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go ahead and like, comment on this video, and share it with your friends. It's free to share. Always remember, be awesome, do awesome things. You guys have a wonderful, awesome day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.